Hello, children. How are you? Hope you are very fine. Children, this is block 8, our nervous system of Unit 4. And in this session, we will talk about part 2, that is reflex action. In part 1, we have discussed about parts of brain and different type of nerves in our body. Today, we will learn about functions of nervous system and reflex action. So, children, first, we take some summary of the previous session. That is, the three parts of the brain that are cerebellum, and brainstem. Those are uh, helpful to control and coordinate our body, and also with the spinal cord and nerves. Those all perform together to perform any function, any task in our body. So, this is the brain who gets the signal and sends signals to different parts of our body through motor nerves, and it receives signals from the sensory nerve from any receptor, and these receptors are present on our sense organs, and these sense organs, there are five sense organs in our body: eyes, nose, tongue, skin, and ear. Those are very helpful for receiving any stimulus from outside. So, children, sometimes messages carry so fast. Why do we not come to know that the brain gives command for all activities in the body? Look at this picture. Do you think we before we draw our hand from that cactus tree or cactus plant, we have to think? No, we will not think before we draw our hand. Yes, whenever we see tasty food, then what happens? Our mouth waters, and this is saliva. Yeah, you can say salivating on seeing tasty food. What are such responses are? When we touch any hot object, then we immediately withdraw our hand. So, children, both all are these. So, children, this is the main process. When we touch any hot object, the signals carry through sensory nerves to the spinal cord, and it spinal cord is there to control this action. This action is very rapid. Through this action, motor nerves are suggested or give order to to withdraw our hand from that hot object. This is very quick response. So these responses are specifically given by our spinal cord, not from brain. So, children, our body responds to certain actions without thinking. Such responses like withdrawing hand on touching very hot or cold objects, salivating on seeing tasty food, or size of pupil that contracts because of very bright light, that all are reflex action. These happen without thinking and are very fast. So reflex actions are fast and automatic responses controlled by the spinal cord. If we touch a very hot, as we have discussed, so we will withdraw our hand definitely. Blinking of eyes, feeling pain when we get pricked by something, formation of saliva on seeing tasty food are all examples of reflex action. So, what is now one question arises in our mind, what is spinal cord? So, children, what is a spinal cord? Over in this picture, you can see spinal cord is like a stem of tree. So, children, the nerves form a bundle which runs through the middle of our back. It is called spinal cord. Okay? It connects the nerves from all organs of the body to the brain. It is covered and protected by the backbone. It controls the reflex actions in our body. We need to protect our spinal cord as all the nerves are found in it. If any nerve get damaged, that part of the body will not function properly. So it is very delicate organ and we have to be careful about our spinal cord. Therefore, we should protect our spinal cord from injury. Now, children, this is our contained book and we will read it and then we will come to know more about function of the nervous system and reflex actions. So, function of the nervous system, the brain, spinal cord and the nerve work together to control and coordinate the activities of the body. The sensory nerves collect information from different parts of the body and send it to the brain. The brain gives commands which are sent back as signals to the different part of the body through the motor nerves. So this happens like this. In this diagram you can see that a pin is there and when we touch this pin we will immediately withdraw our hand away from this pin because these signals from these sensory nerves will carry these signals to spinal cord, and now spinal cord give order to withdraw our hand with the help of motor nerves. These are motor nerves. Okay, so this signal will be given by spinal cord and this hand will be withdrawn immediately. So now, so children, this was reflex action and this was very quick response from spinal cord. So some actions happen very fast and nearly without thinking. They are automatic responses to a stimulus. Some examples of such actions are blinking of the eye, withdrawing of the hand on touching hot objects, change in size of pupil with the amount of light entering the eye, and formation of saliva in the mouth on seeing delicious food. These actions that are not under our control and happen automatically. These are called reflex action. The spinal cord controls the reflex action. Such actions are very fast and happen within a fraction of a second. So children, the difference between action taken by brain and spinal cord is mainly this, that a fraction of a second only. These reflex action takes fraction of a second. Such time they take. And if any order is given by our brain, then we have to think about it. Our brain can think and it can give order to our particular organ to perform such a task. So over here you can see the flow chart how this function is performed by the spinal cord. So hand touches hot object, sensory nerve carries stimuli, spinal cord these signals reaches to spinal cord and then spinal cord give command to motor nerves carry response to the particular body organ, and this body organ is hand, then we will withdraw our hand. Children, I hope this all chapter is clear to you now, and we will do our worksheet. So in our worksheet S3, first is draw and label the brain and spinal cord on the outline of the human body. We will draw it. Draw a label. So here, this is brain, this is spinal cord, and these all are what? These all are nerves, as we have seen in our book. This one. This you can see. This is brain, and this part present in the mid of our backbone, that is spinal cord, and these connective tissues, these like connections, like wires in our body, these all are what? These are nerves. Okay. So question number 4 is explain how our nervous system helps us to kick the football capped in front of us. The brain gives a command to kick. The motor nerves carry this message back to the foot and it kicks the football. How do our eye identify the object quickly? How does this help us? Eyes send message to brain after focusing on the object. Brain receives it and recognizes it. Thus, we are able to identify objects quickly after spotting them. So, children, look at the diagram of a reflex action. This is the diagram of reflex action. Okay. Now, some actions in the body happen very fast without thinking. These are reflex action. This is the answer of this question, and you can understand. We have to give two examples of reflex action. So first is this, and the second one, blinking of eyes and removing hand fast on touching very hot things. Okay, very hot things, or you can also write down here very sharp things. Next one, describe the process which lead to the formation of saliva in our mouth on seeing delicious food. When we see tasty food, the sensory nerves carry the message to the spinal cord, and the spinal cord responds, due to which saliva is produced in the mouth. It is a very fast process and occur within fraction of a second. So this is what? This is reflex action. So why is blinking of our eye a very fast action? How does it help us? Blinking of the eyes are a reflex action. The spinal cord controls it. If something comes near our eye stimuli, the eye immediately blink to protect themselves. Any stimulus is what? Change in our environment. If it occur, then our body respond against this stimulus, है ना? So this stimulus is very fast and quick, and then it is performed by the spinal cord. So children, I hope this session is helpful for you, and I have given all the information about this chapter, and now it's time to you study this chapter well, and till then we will meet in the next session, that with the next block, that is block 9, communicable diseases. Till then, bye bye.